Welcome to our instructional video on how to decorate your two-island kitchen. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of using various components to create a stunning and functional space. Let's get started. The first step is to install kitchen cabinets. Choose high-quality cabinets that complement your desired style. Ensure proper measurements and placement to optimize storage and functionality. Next, let's set up the kitchen islands. Position them strategically to create a functional workflow. Consider the distance between the islands and surrounding components for easy movement and accessibility. Install durable and visually appealing countertops. Choose materials like granite or quartz that can withstand daily use. Place the sink in one of the islands for easy access to water while working. Now it's time to install the range or cooktop. Place it on one of the islands for a convenient cooking experience. Install a range hood above the cooking area to keep the kitchen free from smoke and odors. Integrate essential kitchen appliances, such as a dishwasher and refrigerator. Place the dishwasher near the sink for easy loading and unloading. Ensure the refrigerator is easily accessible from both islands. Add a touch of style and protection with a kitchen backsplash. Choose materials that complement the overall design. Install proper lighting fixtures, including overhead lights and task lighting, to illuminate the workspace effectively. Install a stylish and functional kitchen faucet near the sink for convenient access to water. Add seating around the islands using bar stools or chairs, creating a comfortable dining or entertaining area. Choose durable and easy-to-clean flooring materials that complement the overall design. Additionally, ensure proper ventilation by installing exhaust fans or a ventilation system to keep the kitchen fresh and comfortable. Maximize storage with a well-organized kitchen pantry. Install shelves, drawers, and dividers to keep items easily accessible and organized. Enhance the overall look with stylish hardware for cabinets and drawers. Finally, add the finishing touches. Display your favorite kitchen utensils and accessories, such as knives, cutting boards, and small appliances, within easy reach. Incorporate decorative elements like artwork, plants, or decorative lighting fixtures to infuse personality into your space. And there you have it. By following these steps and utilizing the various components we discussed, you can create a stunning and functional two-island kitchen. Enjoy your newly decorated space and happy cooking.